Hi everybody, so it's BSDHT update time. So it's been a really busy week this week at BSDHT and there's lots to tell you in the vlog tonight as well. So firstly, last week we had the Oral-B sponsored webinar, which was fantastic. We had over 1,200 attended and some really good positive feedback on social media and the feedback so far. Sharon did ask me to let you know that the feedback closes at the end of March. And then the certificates will be available after that. Also to let you know that Sharon and Selena actually prepare the certificates manually. So it does take some time, so please be patient with them. Also, the regional group study days, the spring study days start a week on Saturday, and they will be running every Saturday throughout March and into April. So again, there's a lot of work for the admin team to be doing. And a lot of certificates and feedback to be handling. So please bear with them and please be patient, but you will get your certificates. So just be assured that you will get them. If you haven't already registered for any of the regional group study days, please make sure that you do. All the study days this spring are hosted, they're all online and they're all hosted by the various regional groups. So feel free to join any of them, whichever work well for you. Obviously, if you can attend your own regional group study day, that's brilliant, but otherwise you're very welcome to join any of the others as well. Also this week, or this month really, BSDHT has been represented within the wider dental profession in various forms. So firstly, Leon Bassey represented BSDHT on one of the working groups for the BSP's implementation of the European S3 level evidence-based treatment guidelines for stages 1 to 3 periodontitis in UK clinical practice paper. So he was involved in that paper. We're really proud that he did that. I'm very pleased. And we just felt that it really shows a really good piece. It's a really great piece of collaborative work amongst many of the dental professional organisations. So great to have you on that piece of work, Leon. Also, BSDHT are extremely proud to say that we were named as one of the dental professional organisations that their members felt supported throughout, this pandemic. And that was in their BSP paper, which looked at the perceived impact of COVID-19 on periodontal practice in the UK. So those are available for you to have a read at and have a look. And then also this week, I represented not only BSDHT and dental hygienists and dental therapists, but I also represented the dental nurses, the technicians, the various technicians groups, and orthodontic therapists as well on the GDC webinar, which was a reflection of the research that they commissioned in the autumn of last year, which looked at the impact of COVID-19 on dental practices and dental professionals. So that was really great to be part of that panel discussion. If you want to have a read of the actual research, it is available on the GDC website as well. And then also last night, I attended a meeting which was led by Carol Rees. Carol is a former dental nurse and she now works with Health Education England. And her goal and aim is to make the work of the Advancing Dental Care Project into real life. So last night's session was to discuss the utilisation of all dental registrant groups to increase access to care for NHS patients across the country. And so we had some really good, interesting discussions. There was various questions to answer and we all had our input into that as well. We discussed dental hygienists and dental therapists being able to open courses of treatment and looking at how maybe dental nurses, dental hygienists, dental therapists, clinical dental technicians as well could also lead on various transformational programmes that have greater reach within the community as well. So Carol is going away and we'll be looking at the responses that we did for the questions, and then with the plan is to meet again in 3 weeks' time to discuss and keep moving this on and forward so we can get these things up and running. So it was a really, really good session last night, really enjoyed it. Also, for our members in England, this afternoon there was the latest update from the CDO's office. The main point, it will be available, the link should be on the BSDHT COVID page, and I have asked if it can be emailed out to the members in England as well. The main point that they wanted us to share with our members and get out is that there is a link for booking COVID vaccines. So if you go into the update, there is a link that says, and you can make an appointment. If you haven't already had a vaccine, you can make an appointment to get the vaccine done. So that's on there as well. And then lastly, I just wanted to, this week, myself, Miranda, Laura, Sarah, Sharon and Faye have been meeting with the various regional group committee members. On Sunday, I met with the regional group representatives, which we had a fantastic session, really good, lots of discussion amongst pretty much everybody. And we talked about how we can keep making sure that we